Come guess me this riddle, what beats pipe and fiddle? What's hotter than mustard and milder than cream? What best, what's your whistle? What's clearer than crystal? What's sweeter than honey and stronger than steam? What'll make the lame walk? What'll make the dumb talk? The elixir of life and philosopher's stone. And what helped Mr. Buttle to build the Thames tunnel? Oh, wasn't it Potcheen from Alden shown? So stick to the creature, the best thing in nature, for sinking your sorrows and raising your joys. And now, Lord, it's no wonder if lightning and thunder were made from the plunder of Potchini boys. You maidens pathetic, with lovers athletic, for liquid cosmetic, you can't beat the drop with a glow to your cheek. It'll make your heart leap, it'll quiet the stallion and cure an old cob. At the mouth you would drool, be reduced to a fool. You'd kick up your heels and you'd peel to the buff, and then he'd be pathetic while you'd be athletic, if only you'd take a few drops of the stuff. So stick to the creature, the best thing in nature, for sinking your sorrows and raising your joys. There's nothing like a whiskey to make maidens frisky. It soon separates all the men from the boys.